In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a summary of your tasks every weekday in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a concise daily roundup delivered automatically, so you can start each workday knowing exactly what needs your attention. First, open your preferred web browser and head to your search engine. Type HubSpot and open the official HubSpot website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account. Use the same credentials you normally use for HubSpot. Once you're in, you'll be on your HubSpot dashboard, and we're ready to adjust a quick setting that controls your daily task summary. Look toward the top of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear opens your account settings. Click it to enter the settings area. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select notifications. This is where HubSpot centralizes all alert preferences, so you can choose what you hear about and how often, without digging through multiple menus. Inside Notifications, scroll until you reach the section labeled Tasks. This section controls alerts tied to task activity and reminders. Within the Tasks area, look for an option called Task Daily Digest. This is the setting that compiles a weekday summary of your tasks into one convenient message. It's designed to reduce scattered alerts and give you a clean snapshot of what's on your plate, helping you plan your day more effectively. When you see Task Daily Digest, click the checkbox to enable it. Turning this on tells HubSpot to generate and send that weekday summary to you. If the option appears grayed out or you can't locate it, you may need the proper permissions in your account. In that case, contact your HubSpot admin to grant access, or confirm that task notifications are available for your user. After enabling the checkbox, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to confirm. Without saving, HubSpot won't remember your new preference. That's it. Your weekday task summary is now set. You can expect a digest on working days, aligned with your account's time zone and notification schedule. For the most useful digest, keep your tasks up to date. Assign tasks to yourself, add due dates, and mark items complete as you finish them. This ensures your daily recap reflects what truly matters that day. You're all set to receive a clear, consistent task summary every weekday in HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and enjoy starting your day with focus and confidence.